My book, Seven Secrets to an Awesome Marriage, the first secret is stop. At one time or another, we all do things that are not good for our marriage. We may try to change our spouse or manipulate them so we can get our way. We may be selfish or inconsiderate. We can say words that in our heart we don't really mean, but in the moment, they come flying out of our mouth. There have been times in our marriage when I've done all of the above. None of them are ever positive in any way. Here's the key though. Do I recognize these are wrong? And do I ask Nancy's forgiveness? Or do I think I am justified in what I'm doing or saying and just keep it up? Do I tell myself that at some point she's going to get it and then repeat my words or actions over and over? Or do I stop? One definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over but expecting different results. When I do this in my marriage, nothing good ever comes of it. In the midst of this pandemic, many of us are spending a lot more time together as husband and wife than we have since maybe our honeymoon. How are you managing this season? Are you growing your faith in your marriage? This may be the best opportunity to work on these that you will ever have. On the other hand, are you developing patterns that are unhealthy for you in your marriage? Are you slipping into behaviors that are detrimental? Are you creating insanities in your marriage? If you are, it's time to stop. How do you do that? Well, here's some tips. Admit to yourself, your spouse, and God that you know your behaviors and your words have not been good. Ask for forgiveness. Pray for God to help you renew your mind in such a way that you look at each day as an opportunity to grow your marriage and to grow your faith. Pray that prayer every day. Be intentional about quality time with your spouse. Pray together that God would bless your marriage during this season. Doing the above can be a game changer for your marriage. So why not take that first step right now? So here's some next steps for you. Is there something you're currently doing that is not good for your marriage? What is it? Does it fit the definition of insanity? Are you ready to stop? Go through the 6 bullet points above. That is your COVID-19 marriage update for today.